Hi, this is Uma Devi, Principal of Oasis School of Excellence, Shamshabad. We focus on that education by which character is formed, strength of mind is increased, the intellect is expanded, and by which one can stand on one's own feet.
Faculty in Mathematics. Here in Oasis, we prefer activity-based learning as education is a way of imparting knowledge in students by building a situation in which the students can understand better. Here, we encourage students to the charm of education by critical learning, concept learning and gaining knowledge as well.
Myself, Abhilash, mentor of Atal Tinkering Labs. Our curriculum is designed such a way to foster innovation in every subject. To make STEM education come alive, we have established Atal Tinkering Lab powered by Niti Aayog. It enables the students with the latest technologies and tools are required to get successful in the 21st century.
We as the students of Oasis have a great opportunity to learn many occasional subjects such as physical education, artificial intelligence, financial markets and agriculture. Me as a physical education student has enabled my skills and it gave me a strength and abilities to lead the life through all circumstances and hurdles. I think our school is a real oasis in gaining knowledge.
Go without chemicals, eat healthy and stay healthy.
Our school has a curriculum that is combined with core subjects and hobbies such as gardening, photography, robotics, dance, music, Vedic maths, abacus and much more. I, as a member of photography club, has improved my hobby and I now stand as a professional of my school. I firmly say that hobbies helping you to make a success story could only be possible at Oasis.
Hi everyone, I'm Geeta, Faculty of Mathematics. We in Oasis believe education is not just limited to the classrooms. We prefer outdoor activities. We give more concept-based, practical-based learning, so on. Thank you.